Hi guys, it's me Sitanga back again with Learn with Sitanga, and in this short video we're going to be looking at how to answer a question that says to rationalize the denominator. So what is this rationalizing the denominator? It is when you have a fraction like this with a root thing in the denominator and they ask you to give your answer in the form of this with a root. So we have been asked to rationalize the denominator of this, showing each stage of our working, and give your answer in the form of this, where a and b are fractions. Okay, a and b are fractions in their simplest form. So what do I have? I have 4 over 7 minus root 5. Whenever you come across a question like this, guys, what you would be doing is both the numerator and denominator, you would simply be multiplying by the exact same thing in the denominator with the opposite sign in between. So here in this case I would be multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 7 plus root 5. If you had plus in here, guys, you would be multiplying by 7 minus root 5, just the opposite sign. So this also 7 plus root 5. Okay, and then I'd be expanding this here. I'd be having 4, I have 7 plus root 5, and in here I have 7 minus root 5 and 7 plus root 5. Now I'd be expanding this. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times root 5 is 4 root 5. I have 28 plus 4 root 5, and in my denominator 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times root 5 is plus 7 root 5, and minus root 5 times 7 is minus 7 root 5. So I have plus 7 root 5 and minus 7 root 5, and finally I have minus root 5 times root 5. And one thing you should know, guys, is if you had a root multiplied by a root, for instance root 5 times root 5, this answer is simplified. The roots would cancel and the answer would be 5. If you had root 7 times root 7, your answer would be 7. Okay, guys, so in this case I would have minus root 5 times root 5, it is minus 5, simply minus 5. And simplifying this, guys, at the top I have 28 plus 4 root 5, and at the bottom I would have, now as you can see here, guys, this 7 root 5 minus 7 root 5, it would cancel and I would be left with 49 minus 5. So 49 I have minus 5, and this, when you simplify, 28 plus 4 root 5 over 49 minus 5, when you put it in the cal you get 44. We need a and b to be fractions, therefore I would be dividing each term here by 44. So what I would get is 28 I divide by 44, and also 4 root 5 I divide by 44. And in here, guys, so 28 over 44 is 7 over 11. So this gives me, when you simplify, 7 over 11 plus 4 over 44 is 1 over 11. So this would be 1 over 11 root 5. So this is my final answer, guys. So when comparing with this, a plus b root 5, a plus b root 5, a is 7 over 11 because that's the first part, b root 5, and my b is 1 over 11. Alright, guys, so this is a, b is the one close to root 5, a and b. Alright, guys, thank you for watching.